Welcome to this short video about how to respond to your garnishment if you think there is a problem with it. The first thing you need to know is that there are limitations and exemptions available to stop a garnishment for some people regarding certain types of income. For example, sometimes there are flaws with the garnishment itself. Maybe it wasn't issued correctly or contained incorrect information about pay or benefits. Maybe they took money or property that belongs to someone else. Or you may make such little money or have protected money that the debt collector cannot legally take it from you. It is protected. These exemptions are limited and include things like money from Social Security, pensions, or disability checks. These would be reasons to file an objection to a garnishment called a reply and request for a hearing. The second thing you need to know is that often people file an objection when they really want to claim that the judgment itself was improper. A different process must be used for that, which we can talk about now. Once a judge has ordered judgment against you, you will usually lose the right to raise any defenses you might have originally had. This is often true unless you can show there is a good reason you haven't acted until now, and the plaintiff either did something wrong to get the judgment, or they will not be harmed by adding time to the process. These instances are rare, but typically relate to how the case was started. Like if you moved and the plaintiff served the complaint on someone who lived at your old address, and you did not know anything about the case. If there is a serious problem like this, you would not object. Instead, you must file a motion to set aside the judgment. This should be used if you can prove you have a valid defense. An objection to a garnishment will not do this. You need to make a separate filing to set aside the judgment. If you are in this scenario, talk to a volunteer about how to handle it. Thank you for taking the time to watch and learn more about when to object to a garnishment and what to do when a judgment is wrong. If you have more questions about this, be sure to use the options given in this video about free resources. Thank you, and we wish you the best.